लहसुन छिलन दे या स्टूनी दी चढ़ के
ਉਹਦਾ ਬਣਾਓ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਆ ਨਾ
मैं काम कर रही हूँ not tired for anything I'm so hungry I can barely finish it
Yummy or spicy?
Assalamualaikum friends, this is Mashal Bilal. Today we're going to cook moong daal. And it's not going to be traditional Pakistani way, but it's going to be a delicious, famous way. And you guys will be surprised. Now let's go.
Yes, let's go now.
Now we got moong dal that is soaked, moong dal, and we're making another moong dal. This is moong dal, and we got garlic and spice, and what is
Ginger
this?
paste. Ginger, frozen ginger.
Frozen ginger paste cube, tomato, chili, onion, and
Chili sauce.
chili sauce. I know, don't tell me. And this is
Turmeric. Now let's start.
Yeah. First up, chop the onion. Not even done yet.
Yes, it will be done. Add salt.
Do the other things that the garlic.
Yes, we do cooking like that, okay?
Why?
Everything together.
First do one thing, then do other.
Everything together.
Leo! Come get it! Or... Video
मैंने दो मूंग की दाल बनाई है.
मैंने मूंग की दाल बनाई है
ਕੀ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਡਈ ਆ
मूंग की दाल बनाई है मूंग की
मूंग की दाल
ਉਹ ਮੂੰਗੀ ਦੀ ਦਾਲ ਬਣਾਈ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਬਣਾ ਰਹੀ ਆ
मूंगी की दाल बना के ਤੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਰੈਸਿਪੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਰਿਕਾਰਡ ਕਰਨ ਦਈ ਆ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦਈ ਆ ਤੇ ਨਾਲੇ मूंगी की दाल ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦਈ ਆ ਆਪਦੇ ਮਸਾਲੇ ਪਏ ਨੇ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਛਿੱਲਣ ਦਈ ਆ ਲਸਣ ਛਿੱਲਣ ਦਈ ਆ ਸਟੂਲੀ ਦੀ ਚੜ ਕੇ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ
ਉਹਦਾ ਬਣਾਓ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਆ ਨਾ ਬਾਤ ਸੁਣੋ
मैं काम करनी है
ਮੈਂ ਕੰਮ
मैं काम कर रही हूँ the opposite way.
Then its water will splash, okay? Now. Yeah. Watch your finger. That's why I told you to hold it from here. It is slippery.
This bite at a time. Then one bite at a time. Then stir, stir, stir. Clear everything. We're good with this. Mummy dal, mumma dal.
Dad.
Now it's time to lid it up and wait for 15 minutes. First, we have to stir it up a little. Done. Done.
Now get him.
Wait.
Flame is okay, no need to reduce.
Minute. My dal will cook. Our dal will cook. It's time to wash the dishes. Let's go. I messed up the pot. Now.
job.
My yummy dal is ready. Now I'm going to cook ready for me.
Wow. Yes. Now very yummy, delicious.
Can I
dal
turn
is
off the
ready.
stove?
Yeah, turn off the stove. Push down and spin. Yeah, it's off. Now leave it, it's off. Now try to make ball.
No, cooking is no simple. I made a small already.
Yes.
And if I made a small already, it means I got a small dough. And I can eat really fast like this.
Yes, because it is very smart. That's why.
Yeah. Wait, first I got.
Be careful.
How do you do it?
Do it like this. No.
Yeah. It's just so small. Okay. And now it's done.
Put.
I'm done making my roti. Now I'm going to dish out the starter. Stop. Oh. So heavy. Photo.
If it is so heavy, use both hands.
Finally done. I'm so hungry. My food is ready. I'm so hungry. Now I'm going to eat. This red thing just for design, and this chili is also for design and for taste. Dun, 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 da, 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 dun, da, 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 da. Now my food is ready. Now I'm going to scoop it out. Two or three scoops. Okay, like this.
Teeny tiny roti.
So teeny tiny. I can barely finish it.
How is it?
Good.
Good. Delicious. Yummy. So spicy. So spicy.